Some things are not meant to be forgotten. Buried beneath layers of rust and memory, a legend sleeps. This is not just a story of restoration. It's a resurrection. The journey to reclaim its soul begins now. The first touch is a promise. Every bolt tells a story of neglect. To rebuild, one must first deconstruct. Brute force is tempered with a careful hand, peeling back the years, one piece at a time. Hidden beneath the grime, the engine's heart waits. A careful inspection reveals the depth of the challenge ahead. The frame itself holds secrets of the road. A catalyst is applied, preparing for the transformation. The machine is slowly, meticulously disassembled. Fire and sparks are used to sever the bonds of time. What was taken apart must be Each component is a puzzle piece in this grand design. The old form must be reshaped with precision. Grinding away the imperfections of a lifetime. Stripped to its very soul, the true work can finally begin. From the scattered remains, a vision starts to form. The raw steel is unveiled, ready for a new beginning. In the midst of creation, a new identity is forged. A fresh coat, a new skin, a chance at rebirth. The process is delicate, the outcome transformative. By hand, the surface is prepared for perfection. The skeleton of the legend is carefully reassembled. Welded by fire, its strength is restored. Each spark breathes new life into the old metal. The structure solidifies, stronger than before. The artist smooths the rough edges of the past. Color is applied, a vibrant symbol of its new life. A collaborative effort in this art of restoration. The polishing reveals a shine hidden for decades. A collection of reborn parts waiting to be reunited. The final layers of its new armor are applied. Attention now turns to the wheels that will carry the legacy. Every bearing and spoke is given a new purpose. The mechanic's hands work with an intimate knowledge. Soon, this restored masterpiece will be ready to roll. The wheels, once rusted and worn, are the first to be reborn. Years of road grime are stripped away. The old, cracked rubber is painstakingly removed. The inner tube, the very breath of the tire, is set free. Cleaned and prepped, they enter the chamber for their transformation. They emerge in a brilliant, shining silver. The frame is adorned in a fiery, passionate red. All the reborn pieces are laid out, an orchestra waiting for its conductor. The reassembly begins, a delicate dance of man and machine. The front fork, the machine's guiding compass, is installed. The handlebars are attached, ready to steer it into the future. Each part fits perfectly into place. A stand is fitted, allowing it to stand on its own for the first time. The wisdom of experience guides the process. Slowly but surely, it begins to resemble its former self. The rear suspension is meticulously put together. The seat is mounted, awaiting its rider. The final components of the wheel assembly are secured. Precision is key in these final moments of assembly. Every detail is checked and double-checked. The new tire is prepared for its gleaming silver rim. A delicate process to unite the rubber and the steel. The inner tube is carefully placed, ready to hold the air. Life is pumped back into the wheel. And now, the restored wheel is reunited with the frame. The drivetrain is installed, ready to transfer power. The chassis is now a single, cohesive unit. The chain, the link between engine and wheel, is prepared. It is carefully threaded through the gears. A final check ensures a smooth rotation. The second wheel is mounted, completing the rolling chassis. But the most crucial part is yet to come, the engine. Inside this metal heart, a complex world of gears and pistons. The generator, the source of its electric life, is examined. Each part of the engine holds a vital role. The dissection continues, revealing the core components. The clutch assembly is carefully taken apart. No piece is left unturned in this mechanical surgery. It is a testament to mechanical engineering. The final piece is removed. Now begins the intricate revival of the engine. Old grime is scrubbed away with determination. New pathways are drilled, improving upon the original design. The engine block is modified for a new era of performance. The core components are now ready for the next stage. A gentle tap secures a new part in place. A brand new bearing promises a smoother future. The main shaft is carefully guided home. The engine, completely disassembled, is a beautiful chaos. Each part is laid out, ready for purification. Bolts, screws, and bearings, the engine's DNA. A gallery of mechanical art. Now, an abrasive storm cleanses every surface. This sandblasting erases the sins of the past, revealing the pristine metal hidden beneath. A process both violent and cleansing. No imperfection can hide from this treatment. The engine parts emerge, utterly transformed. A final wash ensures they are perfectly clean. Pristine and ready, the heart of the machine is prepared for reassembly. A coat of silver paint provides the finishing touch. The carburetor, the lungs of the engine, is carefully dissected. Its tiny, intricate parts are laid bare. A deep clean to ensure a perfect flow of fuel and air. A chemical bath dissolves away decades of residue. Each tiny jet and valve is meticulously scrubbed. The carburetor is patiently put back together. Its complexity demands focus and a steady hand. Attention turns to the ignition system, the spark of life. Old wiring and contacts are removed. A tiny flame is used to solder new connections. The repaired parts are cleaned and refined. Polished to ensure a perfect electrical current. The process is methodical, leaving nothing to chance. The ignition components are reassembled. A final inspection of the revitalized system. Every detail has been restored to perfection. The entire system, once faulty, is now like new. With the small components finished, the workbench is cleared. A sense of satisfaction for a job well done. Now, the grand reassembly of the engine begins. The crankshaft is carefully set into place. One by one, the internal organs of the engine are installed. A gentle tap ensures a perfect fit. The two halves of the crankcase are joined together. The transmission shaft is slotted into its housing. The clutch basket is mounted. The engine is taking shape, piece by precious piece. It is now ready for the cylinder. The piston is fitted, ready to create power. The bolts are tightened to precise specifications. The cylinder head is attached, sealing the combustion chamber. A final check of the internal components. The engine's heart is now fully enclosed, ready to beat. The reborn engine is a work of art. The restored carburetor is mounted. The ignition system is wired up. The final covers are put into place. The engine, once a rusted relic, is now a masterpiece. A final tightening of the bolts. The revitalized engine is carefully lowered into the frame. The final pieces of the puzzle are connected. The moment of truth approaches. It receives its lifeblood. The journey is complete, the first ride into a new dawn. A smile of triumph, of a promise fulfilled. Reborn from ashes, a legend rides again. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, DT Restoration, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.